Good morning all. Welcome back to our class. The last class we studied about expanding number and how to compare two numbers and how to write the numbers in words. All of you studied that portions? Okay, very good. Today we are going to study about ascending order. Okay, you know what do you mean by you don't know ascending order? What do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order is a smaller numbers to bigger number. That means arrange the numbers from smaller number to bigger number. Okay, that's here 4 questions. We are going to write these numbers in ascending order. Okay, the first question is here there is no commas. Here separate each number. Put a comma, but there is from one number, each number there is not separate the periods. So first we separate the periods. Okay, here ones, tens, hundreds, then thousand we put a comma. Then here ones, tens, hundreds, and we separate these periods, put a comma here. Okay, then here ones, tens, hundreds, that is it is in ones period, and here and this is thousand, 10,000. So we put a comma here. Then the last number is ones, tens, hundreds, and we put a comma here. Okay. Now you understood about how to separate the periods in each number. Now we are going to arrange these numbers from ascending order. Ascending order is what? Ascending order is numbers from arranging the numbers from small number to big number. Okay, arrange the numbers from small number to big number. Here, first we count First we count the number of digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 digit. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 digit only. If you no need to write in the top the number of digits in the top. If you have made any confusion, so that's why we just want understand us that we write here the top side the number of digits. Just want understand us. Okay. No need to write. Okay. So here the ascending order is the numbers from small number to smaller to bigger number. Here 5 digit, 5 digit, 5 digit, 5 digit, 4 digit. Which is smaller one? This 4 digit is the smaller one. So we write the 4325 in the first place. So 4325 in the first place. Okay. Then next, here 3 numbers are all at 5 digit number. So we select the highest place value of each number. Here the place value is 34,000 and here it is 43. Here it is 58. So come 34, 43, 58. Which is the smaller one? 34, 43, 58. Which is the smaller one? 34. So we select 34 in the second place. That is 34,358. Understood? Then the next is 43 and 58. Comparing these 43 and 58, which is the smaller one? That is 43 is the smaller one. So we write 43,876 in the third place, and the last place we write 58,325. If you have made any confusion, then you can separate this number like this. Okay, if you have made this separating these periods and this each number. If you have made confusion, then separate like this. Understood, children? Here the number is this one. Then here put a comma. Otherwise, you put this comma in a very small and this comma in very big. Understood? That's why you can separate. Okay. Then next we are going to the next question number 2. Here first we separate each periods. Here ones, tens, hundred. So here close, and 1,000, 10,000. Here we close. Then ones, tens, hundreds close. 1,000, 10,000. So here they separate the number. Here also they separate the number. Okay. Here only 3 numbers. So I write the one more number, that is 4, 5, 8, 1, 2. Okay. Then here ones, tens, 100, put a comma here, and 1,000, 10,000, put a comma. Then here ones, tens, hundreds, put a comma, 1,000 and 10,000. Then next we count the number of digits. Okay. If each number here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are here. And here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are here. Understood? And no need to write in the top. If you have made any confusion, then only you can write in the tops. Otherwise, you are okay. Then you no need to write the top. Okay. Then the next is here 6, 5, 6, 5. Which is the smaller one? 5 is the smaller one. But here there are 2 5-digit numbers. That is 34,569 and 45,812. So we select the highest place value of this. Here the highest place value is 34,000 and here it is 45,000. That is 34 and 45. Comparing this, which is the smaller one? 34 is the smaller one. So we write the 34,569 in the first place. That is 34,569 in the first place. Then if you put a if you made confusion, then you can select that number and put a tick mark on the top. No need of that. If you have made any confusion, then only you can put a tick mark. Okay. Then the next place we write 45,812. That is 45,812. Here we use this symbol to separate the number. The next is this one. The last is comparing this. Here the number is 6 digits. So highest value is 7 lakh. But each numbers have 7 lakh with the start. So we take the 1,000 period. Here the 1,000 period number is 35. Here it is 32. Comparing this, 32 is the smaller one. So we write 7,32,538. 7,32,538 be the third place. Okay, so we separate this number. Then the last number is 7,35,801. So our answer is this. Understand all of you? Here the answer is this one. Okay, understand? Then now we are going to the third question. That is, what will we do the first? First we count the number of digits. Before that, first we separate the periods of each number. Okay, so here ones, tens, hundreds. So we put a comma here, and to separate this number we use this. And here ones, tens, hundreds. So we put a comma here. To separate this number we use this one. And here 1, 2, 3. That is ones, tens, hundreds. And separate this number. Put a comma here. Then now next is we count the digit, number of digits. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here only 5 digit. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5 digits. All 3 numbers are here, but all the number of digits is 5. Same number of digits. So we select the highest place value of each. Here the highest place value is 38,000. Here it is 45,000. Here 39,000. Comparing this, which is the smaller one? 38 with the smaller one. So we write 38 in the first place. That is 38,693. Then put a comma like this, semicolon like this. Then next is 39,631. The last is 45,792. Okay, understand all of you? So our answer is this. Okay, then the next is, the last is here. First we separate the periods. So 1, tens, hundreds, put a comma. Here then ones, tens, hundreds, then we put a comma. And here also ones, tens, hundreds, put a comma. Here ones, tens, hundred. Okay. Then count the next is, count the number of digits. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here only 4. So from these number of digits, which is the smaller one? 4 is the smaller one. So the 4,978 in the first place. That is, our answer is 4,978 in the first place. So first number is here. The next is here 5 digits. 5 digits are come. So we write the highest place value we select. Here the highest place value is 10,000 place. So here the number is 98. Here it is 39. Here it is 75. Comparing this 98, 39 and 75, which is the smaller one? 39 with the smaller one. So we write 39 in the second place. That is 39,432 in the second place. Understood? Then comparing this 98 and 75, which is the smaller one? 75 with the smaller one. So we write 75,391 in the third place. Okay. Then the last place we write 98,765. 98,765. Okay. So this 5, 6, 7. These 3 questions are homework. You have to do self at home. So that's why it's a homework. And study this portion ascending order and do this homework. Okay. Next we are going to study about descending order. Ascending order, we studied that ascending order is write the numbers, arrange the numbers from smaller number to bigger number. Descending order is write the numbers from bigger number to smaller number. Okay. Here our first question is this 75,251, 28,365, 23,765, 73,281. First we count the number of digits. Here the number of digits is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So all are 5 digits. So we select that the highest place value. Here each number, the highest place value, it is 75, 28, 23, 73. Comparing this, which is the highest of these number, which is the bigger number from this? 75 is the bigger one. So we write 75,251 in the first place. Understood? We select this number. The next is 28, 23 and 73. Which is the bigger one? 73. Isn't it? 73,281 in the second place. Comparing this 28 and 23. 28 be the bigger one. So we write 28,365 in the third place. And the last place is 23,765. Understood? We know how to write the numbers in ascending order, just opposite that. That is descending order. Then the next question is, first we count the number of digits. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Okay. Comparing this 5, 7, 5, 4. Which is the bigger one? 7 is the bigger one. So we write 7, the 7 digit number in the first place. Understood? That is, answer is 26,28,560 in the first place. Understood? The next is, there are two 5 digit numbers came, so we select the highest place value of this. Here it is 38 and it is 95. So we know 95 is the bigger one. So we write 95,031. In that there is no 100 space, so that number is hidden. So how to read this number? 95,031. Okay. The next is 38,431 and the last place number is, what's that? This one. That is the 4 digit number. It is 2,605. Okay. That is, our answer is like this. Then the next is 75. This. First we count the number of digits. Okay. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, no. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 digit number here. Now there are 5 digit number, 3 5 digit number came here. So we first select the highest place value. Here it is 75, it is 45, here it is 39. From this highest place value is 75. So 75,000, our answer is 75,362 in the first place. And the next place the number is 45 and 39. Which is bigger? 45 and 39, which is bigger number? 45 is the bigger number. So we write 45,259 in the second place. And the third place, the number it is 39,531 in the third place. And the last place, the number is 2,310. That means this question and answer is very same. That means these number are these question are in writing descending order. Understood? So our answer is also like this. Okay. Then the fourth question is, thus first we count the number of digits. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only 3 numbers here and 5-digit number 3, 5-digit number 3. Three of them are 5-digit numbers. So we write what are 5-digit number here. So first we count the highest place value. First we select the highest place value. Here it is 36, 46 and 31. Which is the bigger one? 46. So we write the 46,510 in the first place and the second place 36, 31. Which is the bigger one? 36. So 36,512 in the second place and the last place the number is 31,231 with the last place. All of you understood about how to arrange the numbers from descending order. Okay. Now the 5, 6, 7. This question you have to do self. This 5, 6, 7 you have to do self. So that's why it's a homework. You have to do self at home and study this. Okay. So children, you have to study ascending order, descending order today itself and do the write the problems in your notebook very neatly and write 2 times. Each problem you write 2 times and send it to me and thank you.